Now we're going to look at 3 common base edge scenarios we're often faced with on new skis and how to deal with them.
Scenario 1. Moving the true bar in a wavy pattern down the base of this brand new ski, I don't feel any drag or hear the sound of steel on steel anywhere on the edges, which is good. I tested the ski on snow and it felt great. However, I'm still going to detail the tips and tails to optimize the ski's performance. In scenario 2, we have a newly ground ski that has a consistent base edge bevel here in the body, but at the tips and tails there's little to no bevel. So we'll mark these spots with a Sharpie. You can also see these linear grinding stone marks right here, which make this ski hard to turn and felt catchy on the snow. This can happen after machine grinds. We recommend to detail the tips and tails, otherwise these edges will feel uncomfortably catchy and difficult to turn. In the third scenario, we hear steel on steel throughout the entire length of this brand new ski with the true bar. These edges are railed or edge high, which literally makes them unskiable, or at best, unenjoyable. One option is to get the ski ground flat and have the base edge bevel done on a quality machine, and then you detail the tips and tails. Option 2 is to set your desired bevel on the entire length of the edges by hand and then detail the tips and tails, which we'll demonstrate next.